What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another YNW Melly video, and he just got a huge win. So the appeals court has ruled on the blocked evidence. And in case you didn't know, this is the whole reason that his trial got pushed back all the way to 2027. So this is huge for him. So let's get into this article by Miami Herald and find out a little bit more. The former judge in the YNW Melly Double M case did not abuse his discretion when he threw out weeks of digital evidence obtained from a broad warrant, an appellate court ruled Wednesday. The evidence, mostly messages extracted from Melly's cell phone, email address, and social media accounts, will not be allowed in the rapper's retrial after the 4th District Court of Appeals ruling. In 2023, former Broward Circuit Court Judge John Murphy limited the digital evidence admitted into the retrial to the day of and following the M's. This temporal narrowing comported with the warrant's stated purpose to locate Demons' whereabouts to link him to the crimes, the 4th District Court of Appeals said in its ruling. The evidence issue went up to the appellate court because prosecutors appealed Murphy's ruling. The Broward State Attorney's Office declined to comment on the ruling Thursday, citing the case being pending and scheduled for trial. It's unclear if prosecutors plan to challenge the appeal court's ruling. When reached by the Herald Thursday, YNW Melly's legal team lauded the court's ruling. "We are pleased to see the appellate court recognize the unconstitutional actions of law enforcement in obtaining Mr. Demons' private data," attorney Carrie Hawat said. Hawat is now representing Melly alongside prominent Georgia attorney Drew Feinling. It's also unclear if Melly's retrial will now begin sooner than January 2027, although it's likely that that will be the case. Broward Circuit Court Judge Martin Fain sought to begin the retrial in September but pushed back the trial date because the state's appeal had not been settled. Melly, 26, whose real name is Jamel Demons, is accused of unaliving his childhood friends Anthony Williams and Christopher Thomas Jr. in a drive-by pow-powing in October 2018. Williams and Thomas, both aspiring rappers with the YNW collective that were known as YNW Sack Chaser and YNW Juvie. He faces the D penalty if convicted. Last month, Melly's co-defendant and confidant, Cortland Henry, reached a plea deal with the prosecutors where they dropped the M charges. Henry, 26, was sentenced to 10 years in prison on accessory after the fact and witness tampering charges. As part of the plea, Henry will also give a proffer at a later time. In a proffer, a defendant provides information to prosecutors in exchange for a plea deal or leniency. Henry was facing several life sentences if he had taken the case to trial. This was clearly nothing more than a way for the prosecutors to delay this trial because they're not ready to go through with this case. And honestly, this is good for Melly because the fact that they are trying to delay his case so long tells you that they don't have a solid case against him. So you guys let me know what y'all think in the comments down below. Do you think that his trial will be moved up from 2027? Personally, I do think that that'll happen, but I want to know what you guys think, so y'all let me know in the comments down below and lock in with the channel because I will be covering his trial whenever it happens. Hopefully for his sake, it'll be sooner than 2027. This was the whole reason that it was delayed in the first place, so theoretically it should be moved up, even though in one of the court hearings, I believe the prosecutor said that they were booked up the entirety of 2026. I don't know how true that is, but I guess we'll find out. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like